Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and connectivity. Make sure the case and both earbuds have at least 50% charge so the reset completes reliably. Once charged, open your phone or laptop Bluetooth settings and forget or remove the Tozo T6 entry so it won't reconnect mid-reset. Then open the charging case and leave earbuds inside. You'll use the case button next. These steps prevent interruptions and ensure the earbuds fully enter reset mode when you press the controls. Now execute the reset sequence. First, with earbuds in the case and lid open, press and hold both earbud touch panels for about 10 seconds to power cycle them. You'll hear tones or see brief LEDs. Next, press the small case button for roughly 5 seconds until the case LEDs begin to flash. This forces a factory restore. Once you observe alternating LED flashes that settle to a solid blue, the internal memory has cleared and pairing info has been erased. This is why both steps matter. Finish by repairing. Close the case for 5 seconds, then reopen it to enter pairing mode. In your device's Bluetooth list, select Tozo T6 and complete pairing. Test audio in both ears to confirm stereo operation and check mic function with a call. If pairing fails, try this troubleshooting tip. Toggle your device Bluetooth off and on, or restart the device, then repeat the reset sequence. Most issues stem from lingering cached Bluetooth entries or low battery, so repeating the reset usually resolves them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.